Stephanie "Steffi" Gregg. After coming on as a substitute to make his debut against Everton in the English Premier League, Bailey sent a corner kick that defender Lucas Digne helped to place in his own net. 9 minutes later, Bailey scored again with an impressive volley at the Villa Park in England, as Jamaicans were heard screaming around the world on social media. Bailey's post-goal celebrations made the moment even more significant for sections of Jamaica when he took off his jersey to reveal his undershirt, saying, "Forever love, Steffi Gregg." Gregg, a popular Jamaican socialite and Twitch streamer, reportedly passed away in late August after developing complications after contracting COVID-19. She was the daughter of former race car driver Gary Gregg. She was also the sister of race car driver Kyle "Speedy" Gregg and niece of dancehall producer Russian. Bailey shared a photo of the tribute on Instagram with the caption, "That one was for you. Still thinking about you every day. Love you forever, sis." This was Aston Villa's second victory, but it seems Leon Bailey will miss a game or two as he exited early due to injury after his magnificent performance. Earlier this month, Jamaican footballer Raheem Sterling similarly paid tribute to Gregg when he scored for England in their 4-0 rout of Hungary at the Puskás Arena, which placed them at the top of the World Cup qualifying Group 1. Full article can be found in the description box, but do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on all socials at Dancehall Mag.